Hi YouTube, welcome to WesPicks. Today we've got this beastly old padlock, a Yale Y220 71. I used to keep my workshop locked up with this, so see how secure it was for all those years. Here's the bitting on the key, pretty nice. I'm going to be attempting to pick it with a pick that I was attempting to make yesterday, which was either an Attila or a Tron, never know the difference. But it didn't work, so I cocked it up. I've had to modify the tension wrench to get into the bottom of the key, or top of the keyway. Anyway, let's see if we can get into this. Use a 5-pinner. I think I overset that a bit. Just eased off a little. Number 1, good click. Bit of counter off for number 2. Counter off for number 5, if I can get on the top of him without losing the rest of it. Yeah, he's got a spring-loaded core, so you've got to keep sort of a bit of tension on it just to take out the slack on the spring, but you can't put too much on because it messes up, or like puts the keyway, like the pinholes out of line, if you like. And we're in. Yeah, so less than 2 minutes, or 2 minutes, so a little bit disappointing. Anyway, thank you very much.